today let's start with chapter number 12, that is regional culture. So let's study about language and literature. So medieval period of Indian history show the growth of several regional culture, right? So we can say that spread of Bhakti movement from 8th to 15th century encouraged growth of regional languages, जैसे Marathi, Hindi and Bengali, right? So language and literature, medieval period witnessed growth of rich literature that accompanied development of India. इसमें क्या हुआ, डेवलपमेंट हुआ, नई नई लैंग्वेज से पर्शियन आई, संस्कृत आई, एंड बट दिस पीरियड विटनेस ग्रोथ ऑफ संस्कृत लिटरेचर. इसमें जो आपको देखने को मिलेगा वो कॉम्पोजिशन मिलेगा पॉलिटिकल वर्क का, जैसे काव्य एंड द टेक्स्ट दैट कॉडिफाइड लॉस ऑफ धर्मशा, राइट. सो फ्रॉम 18th to 12th century in the North Indian, Sanskrit continue to be the language of court. एंड लाइक जयादेवा, गीता गोविंद, ये आपके कुछ वर्क है, लिटरेचर वर्क है. नाउ नॉर्थ इंडिया ड्यूरिंग द first half of the medieval period, Sanskrit receives patronage from the local rule. Right, in central and south India, that we have Hemachandra Suri as an important Jain scholar of this period. And what did he compose? Works of Sanskrit. Historical poems of this period include Rajvinoda, biography of Sultan Mahmud Gegara of Gujarat. ये एक कोर्ट पोएट थे, उदय राजा. The two forms of Hindi Baraj Abdi become popular. Other languages also emerge, जैसे आपके यहाँ पंजाबी, उड़िया, असमी, सिंधी देखने को मिलेगी. Purans, Ramayana and Mahabharata, these were translated into some of these languages. Turks brought with the new language Persian in India. Under the Delhi Sultanate, जो Persian language थी, is developed the new literary style. इसने new literary style भी develop. The most prolific Persian scholar of medieval period was Amir Khusro. He was a leading poet of this style and he is well known. इसको हम अच्छे से जानते हैं किसके लिए, political composition. Now Mirza Ghalib, who lived in the region of Mughal Empire, Bahadur Shah II, 19th century, he was outstanding poet. ये outstanding poetry लिखते थे पर्शियन में और उर्दू में, right? Then the word Urdu comes from Turkish word camp. The birth of Urdu language was result of interaction. किसके बीच में? Armies of Muhammad Ghazni and Indian population, right? So Urdu acquired standardized form called Dhakimi and it blend a Persian and other regional language. जैसे आपकी तेलुगु हो गया, तमिल हो. साउथ इंडिया की बात करते हैं, 17th century तमिलनाडु लैंग्वेज हैज टेकन डेफिनेट शेप. जैसे आपकी तमिल हो गई, मलयालम हो गई, कन्नड़ा हो गई, तेलुगु नहीं. बट द तमिल इज द ओल्डेस्ट एंड प्योरेस्ट एंड लाइक पाली possesses earliest vernacular literature. So in 8th century, जो संस्कृत began to exercise this influence in Tamil and during this period, जो कन्नड़ था और तेलुगु था, it was made popular of Bhakti sects, right? We have शिल्पाधिकरम and मणिकेलम, ये फेमस तमिल एपिक्स है, इनको रिवर्स करा like your Ramayana and Mahabharata. So the Ramayana adaptation was a part of Mahabharata and the poet Pampa, Pana and Ran. These are the poets informed jewels of Kannada literature. These are called jewels of Kannada literature, right? So we can say this led to the development of Sangam classics, 12th century. It is an important age of Tamil literature. Kamban, Otakotur और आपके क्या, that is Puglit. They were the three gems of Tamil literature. Kamban wrote Ramayana in Tamil. Otakotur or Kamban, what are these? These are well-known Tamil poets which is patronized by king of imperial Chola dynasty. And the Tamil poet is known after the name Jaya Pondar and Kali Patuari. और चोला किंग थे आपके कुलुटोंगा और उन्होंने वॉर करा विद द किंगडम ऑफ कलिंगा और उड़ीसा. वहीं सल्तनत पीरियड की बात करते हैं तो इन दिस पीरियड एज ऑफ हिंदू कल्चर हैड टू फेस अपोजिट ट्रेंड्स. भाई जो फॉरेन कल्चर्स के जो अपोजिट ट्रेंड्स थे उनको फॉलो करा. एंड द हिंदू एंड द मुस्लिम एंड इस्लामिक कल्चर इंट्रोड्यूस इंडिया बाय द court of Delhi sultans were well attended by writers, poets, scholars, philosophers, logics, and we can say that जो आपके फिरोज शाह तुगलक थे got many works on philosophy and astronomy translated into Persian. और उन्होंने क्या करा, उसको पर्शियन में ट्रांसलेट करा. वहीं मुगल पीरियड की बात करें, it was a patron of literature and gave a considerable impetus to the development in different branches. So literature in Sanskrit language, it was continued to flourish and work on the basis of 6 scholars plus, which were written in different parts of India in commentaries and also written on classical texts. So we consider Akbar period has been considered under 3 heads: historical, translation or poetry and worship. फेमस हिस्टोरिकल वर्क जो था इस पीरियड का वो क्या था, तारिक ए मुलादौत, एन अकबरी और अकबरनामा ऑफ अब्दुल सगल, तबक़ेत अकबरी बाय निज़ामुद्दीन अहमद. Now, other languages that were translated into Persian to promote free exchange of Ramayana and different section of Mahabharata was compiled under the title of Ranzamnama. अथर्ववेदा की हम बात करें, translated by Haji Ibrahim Sarandi, and it was poet introduced work for merit under patronage of Abdul Rahim Khan e Khana, the premier Nobel, was also the scholar और एक poet थे किसके, Persian literature. Right, Jahangir, who had an excellent literary taste, also extended royal patronage to scholars. Now, this Abdul Hamid Lahori हो गया author of आपके पर्स शाहनामा, और इनायत खान, they were writer of शाहजहांनामा, right? और औरंगजेब एक जैसे सुन्नी थे, it was critically scholar of Islamic idol, right? He himself was mastery of simple and elementary per se. So we can say that important historians they compile the reign of Aurangzeb. Then other regional languages जैसे आपकी तमिल हो गया, बंगाली हो गया, मराठी, गुजराती, तेलुगु, कन्नड़ and Kannada. Tamil is said to be one of the oldest India languages, right? Alvar and Nair composed devotional literature in Tamil. Cholas were great patrons of Tamil poetry. ठीक है, रामायण यहाँ का famous work है, and Telugu literature flourished under Vijayanagar rulers. कृष्णदेवराय wrote अमुक्कटाल तेलुगु और अष्टदिग्गज जो 8 आपके ग्रेट पोएट्स के बारे में बता. Then we have Malayalam language which was originally a dialect of Tamil और इसको independent status मिला, and Malayalam language and script in this inscription most of the early literature was of oral tradition और ये किस फॉर्म में थी, in the form of ballads, right? मसूद फिरादुद्दीन ये मिस्टिक पोएट था at Pioneer Thought New School of Poetry in Punjab. A major contribution in Punjabi poetry was towards the end of 15th century and it was made by Gurima. And later Sheikh Guru also contributed to the enrichment of Punjabi. Guru Arjun compiled the Adi Granth in 1604 and wrote Sukmani, one of the longest and the greatest medalist mystic poet. Marathi literature emerged in the later half of 13th century. Major contribution was made जैसे एकनाथ और आपका तुकारा. Ramdas and Vama Pandit also contributed Marathi prose and poetry. Then we talk about painting. The Ajanta monuments in Maharashtra and Brideshwara temple boasts a beautiful quay. यहाँ पे आपको एक ट्रेडिशनल इलस्ट्रेटेड palm leaf दिख रही है मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट की 13 to 14th century CE. Then traditional of miniature painting. Miniature painting is very small painting, usually of person depicting a sea. They were generally done in watercolor or cloth and leaves of wood. Miniature painting were done mostly for the patrons and supporters. Right? So we can say highly skilled painters illustrated manuscript of poetry. Akbar, Jahangir and Shahjahan, who rewarded them, their patron scenes were also found. As the Mughal Empire declined, many painters went to the court and they formed new poetry and portraits of the ruler in Deccan and Rajput Rajasthan. They were painted by the following Mughal artistic technique. At मेवाड़, जोधपुर, बुंदी, कोटा एंड किशानगर पेंटर्स जो थे वो थीम्स मतलब मेन आइडियाज को देख के बात करें. Mythology is a set of ideas or stories or opinions that many people believe to be true, right? By the late 17th century, some region of Himachal Pradesh has developed a bold, intense style of miniature painting जिसको हम बसौली कहते हैं. And here bold means by strong bright color and shapes you can notice. So intense means मतलब having a very strong effect or felt, that is Rasa Manjari and Bhanu Batta was popular text that was time. After Nadisa invasion, the conquest of Delhi in 1739, Lad they moved to Himachal Pradesh and to find the work and to escape in raids and battles, right? So with the help of the ready patrons or supporter, Kangra school of painting was found. So they used soft color जिसमें आपके cool blues, greens, beautifully expressed, gentle, romantic emotions हो गए. This was a distinctive feature of Kangra pride. Miniature painting carefully kept in the places remain good condition. Ordinary women and men also painted on walls, floors and floors. Akbar got Persian and the Indian artists together with the new style of paint. After that, Mughal painting reached the peak under Jahangir. Portraits and paintings of animals become more popular. न्यू फीचर्स है जैसे लार्ज मार्चेस डेकोरेटेड विद ब्यूटीफुल मोटिव्स, फ्लावर्स वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड, एंड हाउएवर रॉयल पैट्रोनेज डिक्लाइन ड्यूरिंग द रूल ऑफ औरंगजेब। म्यूजिक की बात करें, म्यूजिक ऑल्सो फ्लरिश्ड ड्यूरिंग मेडिवल पीरियड, कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू भक्ति एंड सूफी सेल. Development and promotion of music is very important. Under the influence of Sufis, music became a part of court life. Many new forms and instruments were developed. Amir Khusro कहा जाते थे in the court of Alauddin Khilji, and he was not only the poet but ये expert musician भी थे, right? So we can say Sufi and Bhakti saints popularly a group of singing Sufis to organize. And Tansir at the Mughal court, he considered a greatest musician of Hindu classical note. राइट उनको आपको तहन नेशन के मैनी रागा जैसे आपके म्यानी महाल, म्यानी टोरी, कुछ आपके रागाज उन्होंने गाए. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, तानसेन, बाबा रामदास, बाजू बावरा और सूरदास ये भी हिनोड म्यूजिशियन है उस टाइप के. क्लासिकल म्यूजिक ऑफ इंडिया इज जॉइंड टू स्टाइल, हिंदुस्तानी और कर्नाटिक म्यूजिक. ये आपके नॉर्थ और साउथ में क्या है, डिवाइडेड है. So a large number of statues depict the dancing coaster. Nataraj statue of dancing Shiva is one of the masterpiece. जो चोला पीरियड की हम बात करें, जो डांसिंग फिगर है शिवा की, वो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है उस पीरियड की, राइट. एंड देन वी हैव डांस मेनी क्लासिकल डांस इन्वॉल्व ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड, ठीक है, जिसमें आपके टेम्पल डांस रहते हैं, सब भारतनाट्यम होता है, राइट. इन मेडिवल पीरियड डिफरेंट स्टाइल ऑफ डांस फॉर्म्स ग्रो इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री. भरतनाट्यम इवॉल्व इन तमिलनाडु, कुचिपुड़ी इन आंध्र प्रदेश, एंड उड़ीसी इन उड़ीसा, कथकली इन केरला, मनुपुरी मणिपुरी का, राइट. देन कथक आपका मुगल का फेवरेट है, इसको नेम मिला कथक को स्टोरी इन संस्कृत. ये एक ड्रामेस्टिक है, यहाँ पे आपको फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन शो करने पड़ते. इट स्टार्टेड इन मुगल कोड एंड इट वॉज पॉपुलराइज्ड एंड परफॉर्म्ड इन डिफरेंट कोड. इट इज डाइवर्सिफाइड इनटू वेरियस घरानास, लखनऊ, जयपुर, बनारस. Chirag and development of Malayalam. So in 9th century, Chirag introduced Malayalam, a regional language, and script in the scripture. Their kingdom of Mahodhapuram, right, was established in southwestern part of peninsula, present-day Kerala. Sanskritic tradition was kept alive, and temple theatre of Kerala borrowed stories from Sanskrit epics. Right, first literary work in Malayalam were also taken from Sanskrit literature. 14th century texts of grammar and poetics, जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं, लीलाती काम, विच वॉज कंपोज्ड इन संस्कृत एंड मलयालम. रूलर्स एंड रिलीजियस ट्रेडिशन. इन सम रीजन रीजनल कल्चर ग्रो अराउंड रीजनल ट्रेडिशन. इट बिल्ड्स टेम्पल ऑफ पुरुषोत्तम, दैट इज जगन्नाथ. एंड वी कैन से इन अर्ली 13th century किंग Anangbika III dedicated kingdom to the deity and they declared himself as a deputy of Jagannath, right. Gradually, the temple becomes center of pilgrimage. It increased its authority in social and political. Successive rulers हो गए आपके that attempted to gain control over temple. All the rulers felt that in this way, the local people will believe them as a representative of God and they will accept their rule. और वो अपने rule को क्या करेंगे, accept करें. Rajput and tradition of heroism. Rajput lived in many areas of modern sanctuary. Rajput contributed much to the culture of Rajasthan, and these culture tradition were closely linked with the ideas of heroes and aspiration of Rajputs. There are stories about practice of sati, right, and thus followers of heroic idol often had to pay for it in their lives. The battle were often fought for wealth, women, and minstrels were sung in the praise and to inspire next generation. Other emotions like loyalty, friendship, love, anger, they were added to the songs. The tradition of Kathak. Beyond regional frontiers, the Kathak were originally subcaste of storytellers who, जिसमें Kathak evolved into a distinct dance, and Bhakti movement basic gestures of Kathak storytellers were combined with folk dance. Right? In the court of Mughal Emperor Nawabs, and Kathak grew to his present dance form with a distinctive style. Right? Two traditions of Gharanas, one of the court of Jaipur and other from Lucknow, were famous. कथक वॉज स्प्रेड है एंड देन आपको यहाँ पे बताया कि जो कथक है, भरतनाट्यम है, आपका कुचिपुड़ी है. These are some famous classical dances, right? So case study Bengal के लिए it is known as epicenter of the art and culture and it was ruled by Pala ruler एंड जिसका लिटरेचर है, लैंग्वेज है, पेंटिंग एंड म्यूजिक स्टडीज है। अंडर मुगल बंगाल वॉज रिच एंड प्रॉस्पेरस। आपको यहाँ पे पर्शियन और अरबिक लैंग्वेज देखने को मिलेगी, राइट। चैतन्य देव, it was important poet singer who was regarded as the incarnation, and he led the Vaishnava movement in Bengali. और important work है Bangla and Krishna Kirtil, series of storytelling, lyrics and poems. By the end of 13th century, Muslim rule was extended over whole region of Bengal. Sanskrit gradually lost its importance. Persian was an official language in Bengal. An important poet जो है वो है विद्यापति, Badu Chandidas, author of Shri Krishna Kirtan, which gives an account of Bengal of that time. म्यूजिक के बात करें, म्यूजिक पर्टिकुलरली फोक म्यूजिक प्रॉस्पर इन बंगाल. द मोस्ट पॉपुलर वॉज बॉल सिंगिंग. इट वॉज संग बाय अ रिलीजियस ग्रुप कॉल्ड बॉल्स, राइट. चैतन्य महाप्रभु पॉपुलराइज डिवोशनल सॉन्ग. दिस सॉन्ग वर संग इन चर्च. एंड यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंटल म्यूजिक भी देखने को मिलेंगे इसके साथ, राइट. आर्किटेक्चर की बात करें, मेडिवल पीरियड ऑफ बंगाल वॉज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. यहाँ पे आपको टेम्पल्स और मॉस्क दोनों देखने को मिलेंगे. बट व्हाट वाज यूनिक अबाउट मेडिवल बंगाली आर्किटेक्चर वाज, यहाँ पे टेराकोटा और ब्रंट ब्रिक्स का बहुत यूज करा गया. अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ टेम्पल्स वर कंस्ट्रक्टेड एंड दे वर जनरली 4 रूफ स्ट्रक्चर. मतलब यहाँ पे 4 ट्रायंगुलर रूफ्स थी दैट इज मूविंग अप टू कवरेज पॉइंट, राइट. वी हैव बिष्णुपुर दैट हैज मेनी सच टेम्पल, रसमंचा, जोट बंगला एंड राधा टेम्पल. देन बंगाली आर्किटेक्चर के आउटर वॉल्स जो थी टेम्पल्स की, वो आपकी पेंटिंग, ऑर्नामेंटल्स और टेराकोटा से डिजाइन. फिश एज अ फूड. सो बंगाल इज अ रिवराइन प्लेन. यहाँ पे आपको प्लेंटी ऑफ राइस और फिश देखने को मिलेगा. पॉपुलैरिटी इज दैट इट इज अ लोकल टाइप ऑफ धार्मिकल लीटेस, राइट. यहाँ पे जो 13th सेंचुरी में जो इनका संस्कृत टेक्स्ट दैट इज बृहधर्मा पुराण, किसके बारे में बताता है? परमिशन के बारे, राइट. दिस इज ऑल इन दिस चैप्टर. I have completed. Now we will move to the exercise. First is tick the correct option. The staple food of Bengal is fish and rice. Folk dance of Odisha is Odissi. Jaipur is situated in Rajasthan. Jagannath temple is situated in Odisha. Now fill in the blanks. The Rajput rulers follow the ideal of what heroism? King Angdhima III declared himself as a dash of Jagannath. इन्होंने अपने को क्या करा था? डिप्यूटी. Peers were the common leaders, dash and judges. The Kathak dance is a storytelling with gesture and movements. Guru Arjun compiled the dash Adi Granth. Now write T for true and F for false statement. So first is Sanskrit was the official language under Mughal. The Mughal emperor was a great lover of music except Aurangzeb. Jayadeva was the author of Ratanagari. False. कौन थे? कालिदास थे. Next is Prithviraj Rasu is an epic poem. It's true. Shri Krishna Kirtan gave a religious flavor of Bengal music. It's true. Now Raja Bhoj, that is Kartik Viri, right? Then we have Bhava Bhutti. He is supporter. Then we have Jaya Aditya. मंगला काव्य 15 और 16 सेंचुरी. पेट्रॉन कौन होता है? संगीत कायक, नाटिस समूहा. जया आदित्य सक्सेसर हो गया और पेट्रॉन इज मल्ला, राइट. Now answer the following. Discuss how language and temple architecture developed in Bengal. Medieval period में आपको डेवलपमेंट बतानी है मिनिएचर पेंटिंग की. Why do we know much more about the paintings of the rulers? Right? What are the elements of Ras Leela? What do you know about regional culture? Who were the major patrons of Kathak? What is Prithviraj Raso? And what do you mean by culture? Culture क्या होता है? That we have. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.